Hi there! So finally here is the Mi TV 4a Pro 43 inches. Xiaomi launched this on 10th of January and it is currently selling on Mi.com and Flipkart for 22,999. The biggest difference between the Pro version and the previous version 43 inches that the Pro version comes with Android TV OS pre-installed and yes, even Bluetooth support. In this video, we shall be doing an unboxing and we shall have a quick overview of the device. So continue watching this video. This is your friend Texing. Let's get started. So I'm unboxing this myself, but when you receive your unit, wait for the technician to come and install it for you so that you don't void the warranty. So the contents of the box are 2 plastic stands, 4 screws to mount the stands to the TV, 1 installation guide and 1 remote. Now the remote is very similar to the previous 43 inch apart from it that this has a Google voice search button on the remote now. And this one is a Bluetooth remote unlike the previous one which was an infrared remote. Let's fix the stands to the TV. Here are some specifications. Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution, IPS display panel, 20 watt speakers, Bluetooth 4.2 and Android TV Oreo OS. The bezels are slim and have a glossy finish. The build quality is good, absolutely identical to the previous 43 inch Mi TV. You will realize nothing has changed between the two physically. In fact, when kept side by side, you wouldn't be able to tell which one is the Pro and which one isn't. All the ports are on the right hand side for easy accessibility. The ports available are Ethernet, AV Composite In, SPDIF, one USB 2.0, 3 HDMIs out of which the first one is HDMI ARC, 2 USB 2.0s, antenna in and 3.5mm audio headphone jack. So finally it's nice to see an Android boot up on a 43 inch Mi TV. Previous gen Mi TV owners are desperately waiting for Android TV update. Let's hope it comes soon. Let's begin with the setup. Insert the battery. The setup process is extremely simple. Enter your Wi-Fi password, Google account details and it's done in about 5 minutes. Welcome to Android TV OS, and as you can see, all the content of the Android TV OS is right here. You can first see that there's Patchwall Smart TV OS. All the previous 43 inch users have been used to the Patchwall interface and there's so much of content on Patchwall. Let me tell you, it was extremely impressive. Patchwall actually revolutionized the way we consume content. Amazing, it was simply amazing. It's exactly the same like you had seen in the previous Mi TVs, as well as now you have the Android TV OS as well. And let's see what do we have in the apps here. We have the Patchwall, we have Gallery, Media Player, TV Manager, the official Google Play Store, Google Play Music, Google Play Movies, YouTube pre-installed, Live TV, Google Play Games and Sensi TV Guide. So let's jump into the Google Play Store. So Google Play Store has tons of official Android TV apps which are compatible for the Android TV. There are games, these are paid games, there are streaming movie contents, there are entertainment apps, there's streamer playlists, there are games like Minion Rush, Asphalt 8, Crossy Roads, Red Ball 4, Beach Buddy. So in the top free apps you have Facebook Watch, Google Play, Hotstar. Let's download Hotstar. Now the Hotstar that we're downloading is actually the Hotstar version, Android TV version. So it's going to look really wonderful. Using it is going to be really fun. Unfortunately, no official app support from Netflix and Amazon Prime videos on Play Store. Xiaomi has promised Amazon Prime but no official date till now. Let's check out a couple of apps. This is the Android TV version of the Hotstar app. And let's play something. The video quality is jaw-dropping. The app works absolutely fine. There is a lot of paid content also on this app that you might need to pay for. This particular episode is streaming for free. Now let's play something on YouTube. Wow, this looks simply stunning. Unbelievable. The colors are vibrant, picture is sharp, clear, smooth. You can definitely see the improvement in picture quality. Could be because of the IPS panel or probably the improved imaging engine. So I did sideload Amazon Prime Video APK and no surprises, it worked like a charm. Support or no support from Xiaomi, but Prime Videos plays with all features perfectly fine. So finally, let's test the Google Voice search on the TV remote. What is the weather like in Mumbai?
Currently in Mumbai, it's 28 degrees Celsius with smoke.
Search for romantic comedies. Wow, that's impressive. Bollywood hit movies. So the Google Voice search works perfectly fine on the Mi TV Pro. A lot of people told me that they prefer Miracast, which was in the previous Mi TVs. They are having trouble mirroring their Android devices using the Chromecast. Well, let me tell you, on the contrary, it's far more easier, consistent, reliable and smooth when you mirror your Android devices using Chromecast. Let me show you how to do it. Download the Google Home app from the Play Store. Click Open. Log into your account and you will see on other devices, you'll see an Android TV. You go to Accounts, scroll down and you'll see Mirror Devices, and you click on Cast Screen and Audio and you'll see Android TV. You click on it and there you go. So to use Chromecast on your Android TV, you go to the YouTube app, search for your content. Make sure the Wi-Fi on the phone and on the TV are on the same network. Then you look for this Chromecast icon, you click on that and you'll see Android TV. You click OK and you'll see YouTube on your TV screen and it'll say ready to watch. Then you simply just click on your video and it'll say play. And there you go. Video starts playing almost instantaneously on your smart TV. You don't need anything else. It's definitely better than Miracast. Also, if you want to scrub or pause, you can pause directly from here. You can play directly from here. You can even go ahead in the video directly from here. There you go. Don't need anything else. Absolutely much more recommended than Miracast. This is the biggest plus point of an Android TV, that it comes with Chromecast. Alright, let's jump into the settings, and the first thing you see is network. And you have Wi-Fi connection, available networks. Scrolling down, you'll see Ethernet and it's not connected. Inputs. Inputs are the sources you can connect to. So you have HDMI 1, 2, AV1 and HDMI 3. Going back, you have Google Cast, which means Chromecast support is built in. Coming down to sounds, you have to set for sound settings. Below you have picture, display settings, standard, custom, color temperature. DNR stands for digital noise reduction. Backlight is 100. You can set that as much as you want to with your personal preference. Then you have apps. Right now the apps installed are BB Racing and Hotstar. You can delete them or force stop them directly from here. Screensaver. Screensaver is where you can choose a backdrop image or colors. I'm choosing backdrop. When to start, by default it's set at 5 minutes of inactivity. If you click on start now, you'll see images rolling and you see beautiful images. All right, storage and reset. If you want to factory reset your device, about, and here you have the Android version 8.0 Oreo. All right, date and time, language, keyboard, patch wall, home screen. Here you can connect your Bluetooth. So finally you have Bluetooth on the 43-inch Mi TV Pro, which is amazing. Xiaomi RC is the Xiaomi remote that we are using right now. You can add accessories. You can click on this, search for other Bluetooth devices, home theater systems or Bluetooth headphones or earphones, and you can connect them directly to your TV from here. Location, security and restrictions, usage and diagnostics, Google accounts, TV guide from Sensi. You can add more accounts if you want to. So I hope this video was helpful. Many more videos coming of the Mi TV 4a Pro 43 inches. Full in-depth review, gaming review, apps and comparison video of the previous year's 43-inch Mi TV. Also, if there are any video suggestions, do write them down in the comments. If there are any questions, do mention them down as well. Don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.